Okay, I want to take a minute to remember the exponent rules, and then I'm going to do two of these examples. So each problem is different, so it's hard for me to give you one that's exactly the same as the one you're looking at. So if you have x to the 2 times x to the 3, that's going to give you x to the 5. You're adding those exponents. If you have x to the 2 and it's raised to the 3, oh, that's going to give you x to the 6. You're multiplying those exponents. And then let's say you had x to the 7 over x to the 4, that's going to give you x to the 3rd. You can think about expanding these out and then canceling the ones that are like each other, or you could think of subtracting the exponents. Okay, that's the basics. Okay, now this exponent out here is got to be applied to everything that's in here. So we're going to do that first. So I square that -4, gives me positive 16, x to the 10, y to the 2nd. Then I write whatever's in the bottom down here, because there was no outside exponent with parentheses on this one. So now I can cancel out. You can divide 16 divided by 48. Actually, that's simplifying a fraction. It's not really division. But then you also have these exponents to deal with. So you have 10 x's on the top and 2 on the bottom. You can think about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, expanding them out like this, and 2 on the bottom. And then you could think of the y's, 2 y's on the top, 2 y's on the bottom. And now you can cancel what you have in common on both the top and the bottom. Now, don't get crazy. Some people started trying to cancel up here like sets of 2. No. You have to have one on the top and one on the bottom, okay? And so then you are going to simplify. Okay, what is this? 48, is that times 16? 16 is 32. Oh, so they're both divisible by 4. So I've got 4 over 12, and that's going to give me 1/3. Okay. So you have 1 over 3. We're going to have 3 on the bottom, and that's the only thing that's going to be on the bottom. And then you're going to have how many x's on top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's going to be your final answer for this problem. Okay, now come over here. You've got to do things in order. You can't start combining a's and b's until you deal with these outside exponents. So deal with that first, and that's going to be 27a and b each to the 3rd, because we're applying that exponent to both of those, times -2 a to the and b to the 4th. Notice this exponent belongs to the b. It's not outside here. And then we've got 6ab squared on the bottom. So we've got to combine these things on the top first. Order of operations says if you can combine anything on the top of a fraction bar, you do that before you apply the fraction bar. So 27 times -2, that's going to be -54. And how many a's? See, now we're using multiplication. So if you come back over here to the rules, you see we're adding those exponents. So 3 and then 1 more gives us 4. 3 and then 4 more gives us 7. All over 6ab to the 2nd. Okay, you can expand this out if you wanted to, or you can just, like in your mind's eye, expand it out. Okay, so -54 divided by 6 is going to give us 9. If I have 4 a's on top and 1 on bottom, I know one set is going to cancel, and then I'll still have 3 on the top. And if I have 7 on top and 2 on the bottom, then I know I'm going to have at least 5 on the top. So I didn't even need that fraction bar. And that's my final answer. Hopefully that makes sense to you.